Hey, what's up guys? Today Samsung has announced the Galaxy A53 5G. This is the video for the unboxing and the first impression about the device. Basically, if you look at the Samsung Galaxy A53 box, you will see that it's going to be coming with a slim box, and it clearly indicates that charger is going to be missing, as you have seen from Samsung flagship level devices that are coming with similar design box. Well, inside the box you will find out the device, the charging cable, and the quick start guide alongside with a SIM ejector pin. Nothing else is going to be seen inside the box. Anyhow, moving forward, the Galaxy A53 will have similar design as compared to the last year models, so nothing changed here. Only the camera bump on the back side will be different from the last year, but the difference is slight. Moving towards the spec sheet, as far as the front is concerned, it's going to be coming with a 6.5 inch of Super AMOLED 120Hz Infinity O display, which is similar to the last year A52s 5G. It's going to be having a 32 megapixel of a front-facing camera, and along with that, it's also going to be protected by Gorilla Glass Bright Protection. With that, it's also going to be coming with IP67 rating and in-display fingerprint scanner support. So as far as the front specification is concerned, it's exactly similar to the last year Galaxy A52s, so nothing changed here. One unfortunate thing that is not going to be coming this year is no headphone jack support is available for all the A series devices, including the A53. This is kind of an unfortunate, but still we have to live with that. Moving forward towards the back side, we have a quad camera setup, which is coming in a square camera bump. It will be coming with a 64 megapixel of a main sensor with optical image stabilization support, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of depth sensor, and 5 megapixel of macro shooter. So obviously this is exactly same spec sheet for the cameras as the last year model. Internally is where we find the difference from the last year model. Exynos 1280 processor is coming, which is based on 5nm. Well, this is where the Samsung A53 will have an edge from the last year model, particularly the A52, which was coming with a 720G processor inside. The A52s was coming with a Snapdragon 778G, which is even superior processor than the Exynos 1280. So we can say that the A52s 5G is a better device as compared to this year A53. It will be coming with a Mali G68 GPU, and along with that, it has a score of 3,74,000 as compared to the 4 lakh score for the Galaxy A52s. So clearly it's a downgrade from the last year A52s 5G. Moving forward, the PUBG can be played in this particular device in ultra setting. No option for the smooth play is available. In terms of RAM, it will be packing an 8GB of RAM, plus you also have a RAM plus support, in which you can extend the RAM up to 8GB, and in total you will get a 16GB of memory, in which 8 was virtual and 8 is physical. Storage option will be 128 and 256GB of internal storage, 5000 mAh of a battery capacity, which is a plus point, and a 25-watt charging support. So guys, nothing is special for the Galaxy A. I feel that this is a downgrade from the last year model. Like, we don't have a headphone jack and we don't have any charger inside the box, and even the processor that is coming inside is inferior as compared to last year Samsung A52s. So guys, at the end I will say that if you want to buy a device which has the headphone jack and a charger inside the box, then definitely go towards the Galaxy A52s 5G rather than this year A53 than this year model. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe the channel. Peace.